3 signs that tell you that it is time to end the relationship. One of the most complex and beautiful experiences a human being can experience is the romantic relationship. However, at what point is it necessary to end it, no matter how may hurt or what is left behind? The relationship between two people implies two realities, so in the couple, as in any intimate relationship, it is impossible to always agree. It is absolutely normal that conflict is understood as a confrontation between needs, desires, or different opinions, says Juan Macias, a psychologist specializing in sex and partner therapy. It's over. Many times we refuse to see the signs, and in other cases, we do not know how to distinguish it. That is why we give you 3 indications that the relationship may be about to end. One after another. A story without end. Some couples simply fight naturally more than others. But if this pattern is changing and they start looking for a fight for the smallest motive or the most insignificant things, this could be an indication that something is wrong, says therapist Rachel Sussman. 2. You no longer want to get out of work early to see him. According to the expert Jane Greer, when you lose that desire or that rush to get with that beloved person after a long day of work is a sign that something is running out. 3. You die so the night comes to go out with your friends. If lately, you program more and more activities with your friends instead of your partner, this will not only put distance in the relationship. It is also a sign that something is not right. No matter the reason for the argument, it is the feeling that the couple recognizes their own validity and importance, which facilitates empathy, giving in and coupling. Without this recognition, you enter into an unproductive and very dangerous power struggle, says the sexologist Esteban Canamares. The most important thing that should exist in a relationship is communication, even to end the relationship. Beware. Source: http://www.salud180.com. To learn more about 3 signs that tell you that it is time to end the relationship, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.